Welcome to a sim code. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more awesome tutorials. Guys, so today we are diving into Java inner classes. Think of them as classes within classes in Java. An inner class is a class that is defined inside another class, and it's super useful when you want to logically group classes that belong together. There are four main types: non-static inner classes, static nested classes, local inner classes, which are inside methods, and anonymous inner classes, used when you need a quick class without giving it a name. Inner classes have access to the outer class members, making them perfect for scenarios where you need close interaction between the two. They make your code cleaner, more modular, and easier to manage. Cool, right? This example demonstrates how inner classes work in Java by showing how an outer class can contain a nested inner class and how these two classes can interact. Yo! So this is our outer class. This class is going to contain another class, which we call inner class. Pretty cool, right? Here is an instance variable in the outer class called outer variable. It is a private integer set to 10. We can only access it from within the outer class. That is how we keep things neat and tidy. Outer variable is an integer, initialized to 10. Now, this is the constructor for the outer class. A constructor is like a special method that gets called when we create an object of this class. Whenever we create an object of outer class, it prints this message. Here is a method called display. It is gonna show how we can use the inner class inside the outer class. We are creating an instance of inner class here, meaning we are making an object of inner class right inside outer class. InnerObj is the new object of inner class. Now, let's call the displayInner method from the inner class. It will show us how both the outer class and inner class interact. This calls the displayInner method in inner class. Here's the inner class. This class is defined inside the outer class. Cool thing is, the inner class can access the outer variable from the outer class, even though it is private. Now, we have got an instance variable in the inner class. This is its own integer, initialized to 5. Inner variable is an integer, initialized to 5. The inner class also has its constructor. Whenever we create an inner class object, this gets called. Prints when we create an object of inner class. Here is a method called displayInner. This method does a couple of things. First, it displays the outer variable from outer class, then it shows the inner variable from inner class itself. Let's print out the outer variable from outer class. Even though it's private, the inner class has access to it. Accessing the private outer variable directly from inner class. Now let's print the inner variable from inner class. Prints the value of inner variable in inner class. All right, we are almost done. This is our main method a euro, the entry point of any Java program. Here, we are creating an object of outer class. This will automatically call the outer class constructor. OuterObj is the object of outer class. Now, let's call the display method of outer class. This method is responsible for creating an instance of inner class. Calls the display method, which creates an inner class object and calls displayInner. Now run our code. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.